Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pin a comment on your Instagram post. Okay, first of all, you can open your Instagram application on your phone. Then you're going to open your profile, tap on this profile button, and you're going to select a post you want to pin a comment on. And for example, I'm going to go with this post. You can tap on the post, and if you want to pin a comment on this post, we can simply click on the comment section right here, and you're gonna select a comment you would like to pin on your post. And for example, I'm gonna go with this comment. So we can click on the comment like this, and you can simply tap on pin. Okay, and now as you can see that this comment has been pinned on my Instagram post, and that's how we can pin a comment on our Instagram post. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.